Hi, I'm Scott Bowling with Trusted Senior Solutions. I have some great news. Your assessment results just came back in our low risk category. This means you've clearly done your homework. Whether you're already on a solid plan or you're just about to sign up, you've avoided the major traps that catch most people off guard. Even with a great score, Medicare isn't static. If you're approaching 65, now is the time to ensure you start with the right Medicare Advantage plan or a Medigap plan that offers maximum freedom and zero networks. And if you're already covered, there's often a way to lower your monthly premiums without losing a single benefit. In this industry, a second look from a licensed pro often uncovers savings that a computer algorithm misses. I'd love to give you a quick 10-minute optimization call. No pressure, no sales pitch, just a high five and a professional confirmation that you're on the best path. Pick a time on my calendar below and let's make sure your Medicare is 100% optimized for the year ahead. Great job on the quiz, and I'll talk to you soon.